How to send camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a few easy steps that we can follow in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So it's super easy. You can just go over and open up your Snapchat application and head over to one of the chat. You can tap on message option for that. And you can head over to a chat. And after you've headed over to a chat, you can just go over normally like how you would send a message. And here we need to tap on this picture icon to send a picture. So tap on it and that will open up the section. We have camera roll and memories. Ensure it's selected on camera roll. After that, you can just go and select up your video file label here. And all you gotta do is tap on the option called send. After that is done, the snap will be sent directly. You can just go over and follow this process, and that is one of the methods that you can follow to send it. And what we can do is, apart from that, we can also go ahead and go to the camera option and swipe up to access a camera roll. Here you can just go and tap on the camera roll option, and from here also you can select the video that you would like to send and tap on send to. And from here, you can just go and select up the user to whom you would like to send and tap on the send option. And that way you should be able to send it as a snap. And after you do so, the video may be appearing from a camera roll watermark level. Long videos may be automatically trimmed. Some effects won't work on same videos, but this is how you can send up a snap, camera roll videos as snaps on Snapchat. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for